Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing well. Today I am going to show you how to make the very tasty and the perfect chicken dum biryani by using the instant homemade biryani masala. Watch the video till the end friends so that you can also make this very delicious biryani without a fail and can enjoy its great taste. Then why late? Let's get into the process. But before that friends, if you are first time watching our channel or still not subscribed, then please like, share and subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification and select all for more interesting recipes. And please visit our channel for many more easiest and delicious Indian and Western recipes in detail along with the tips so that anyone can cook and enjoy the great taste of all of our recipes. The ingredients are 1 kg 500 grams of big pieces of chicken nicely cleaned and washed, 1 kg basmati rice. I just washed and soaked friends. You make sure you soak the rice for at least 1 hour before cooking. 3 big onions finely chopped and deep fried, 200 grams of yogurt, a handful of mint and coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves, kachuri methi, 8 to 10 green chilies, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and salt to taste, and lemon juice squeezed from 1 big lemon or 2 small lemons, approximately 30 ml. And today we are making our own biryani masala friends. For that we need 1 tablespoon of black cumin seeds, shahi jeera, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn and 1 teaspoon of tailed peppercorn, 6 cardamom, 6 cloves, 2 flowers of javitri, 1 kapok bud, 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 2 star anise and 2 bay leaves. You can also use 1 nutmeg and 1 biryani flower, stone flower. Present I don't have friends, that's why I am not using. 150 ml of onions fried oil, 2 tablespoons of clarified ghee, half cup of milk and a pinch of orange food color or 3 to 4 strands of saffron. Take a pan, let the pan heat up. Now dry roast all the spices for at least 30 to 40 seconds on medium flame until nice aroma comes. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Now turn off the flame and let them cool down completely. After cool down, take a small mixer jar, put all the spices, now blend this into a fine powder like this. Now put the green chilies in this and blend again like this. See friends, our biryani masala is ready. Now take the chicken, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Later we can adjust the salt friends and add the chilli powder, add the turmeric powder and add the biryani masala that we made and add the kachuri methi. Mix everything until well combined. Now add the oil. Keep a handful of fried onions for the topping and add the remaining fried onions. Add the yogurt. Add the mint and coriander leaves. Keep some mint and coriander leaves for the topping. Now squeeze in the lemon juice I get enough juice from one lemon, so I am not using this second lemon, friends. Mix until well combined. Now taste one time. The salt is not enough, friends, so I am adding half teaspoon of salt again. You add salt as per your taste. And mix one more time and keep this aside. Let it marinate. After half an hour of marination, let's cook the rice. Take a big vessel, put 6 liters of water and add 1 cardamom, 1 bay leaf and 2 cloves and a quarter teaspoon of shahi jeera and a small piece of cinnamon. Add 1 teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. Make sure the water should be a little salty, friends. Then only the great taste come to the biryani. Now add 1 tablespoon of onion fried oil. Cover the lid and let it come to a boil. See friends, the water is boiling. Now drain the excess water from the rice and then add. Give a stir and cook the rice until 70% done. Meanwhile, transfer the marinated chicken into the thick bottomed vessel like this. Mix one more time and level up the chicken. Make sure the chicken touches the bottom of the vessel. Now let's see the rice cook ready or not. See friends, the rice bubbling up. After 7 to 8 minutes of cooking on high flame, press the rice. See, it is easy to break. Now turn off the flame. Now by using a strainer, put one layer of the rice on the chicken as shown. Now sprinkle some fried onions and mint and coriander leaves on the top as shown. Now put the second layer of the rice. Sprinkle the remaining fried onions, mint and coriander leaves. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Dissolve a pinch of orange food color in the milk. Now pour the milk on the top as shown. Now wrap it with the aluminum foil. Cover the lid and put the leftover rice water on it. On the flame and cook for 10 minutes on high flame. If you are using a thin bottomed vessel, then make sure you put any spoiled pan under it. After 10 minutes, reduce the flame to medium and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, now reduce the flame to low and cook for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, now turn off the flame and leave this like this for another 10 minutes. Then serve hot. Now let's see the biryani, friends. Carefully take out the aluminum foil. The aroma is excellent, friends. Take any long spoon like this and poke in the center as shown to check whether the biryani cooked perfectly or any water left. See friends, the spoon is clear, no water left. The biryani is ready to serve. See the rice, friends, perfectly cooked. That's all, friends, the very tasty and delicious chicken dum biryani with the instant Homemade biryani masala is ready. It tastes excellent, friends. You also try this recipe at your home and let me know how it come in the comments below. Hope you guys like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.